Now facing some problem, so error code is ntoskrnl.exe. So BIOS after the manual PC in sleep mode. Put in sleep mode, now blue dot, getting the blue dot. So there are two way. Firstly, you update your Windows totally. Please check setting and go to setting and then click to setting, Windows update. Check Windows update first method up to date. Okay, then close. Now second, you install the third party driver from third party software like driver booster and other. So you just uninstall, um, click file manager and right click to more, manage. Like you install computer driver from driver pack and driver booster, so please uninstall all driver and then install general driver from websites like if you using laptop or Dell laptop, so uh, install driver from Dell website. So this is requirement. So guys, you can just driver install like uninstall and click from go to setting, go to website from Dell, Lenovo, HP, what you want to, and then download and then restart. Okay guys, thank you.